guys, guess what? I'm on vacation at Rehoboth Beach, and it's only been the first day, and so far it's been a whole lot of fun. I was actually thinking of videotaping some things that would go on the boardwalk during this vacation, just in case anything exciting happens that I want to share with you guys. But you know what? Yesterday, before I went on vacation here, I actually learned something. I learned that sometimes, no matter how cool or awesome you think someone is, there will possibly sometimes be those times when they just end up getting like twice more awesome, or a lot more awesome than you thought they were. Trust me, that actually happened to me yesterday. Okay, anyway, I hope I will be able to record some cool things that happened this vacation. Okay, see you later. Bye. Hi everybody, it's Rehoboth here. I'm on the beach today at Rehoboth with my family, and I'm having a great time sitting out here on the beach. My brother over there is in the water trying to find some cool waves, but so far he hasn't had any luck.
And there's Mommy.
Hello there. Yeah, that's
and
my
there's
mom,
the D.
and that's my dad. Yeah, they're pretty cool to be around.
And this is the beach.
Yeah. I was thinking of going in the...
Here's the boardwalk.
I was thinking of going in the water later, so once I'm done, I'll be sure to give you guys an update on what's going on. So, okay, bye. Well, it looks like that my brother has been working on building a fortress. Hey Ryan! How well is your fortress coming along? Okay, cool. You designed it well?
I just started digging. I didn't put a design plan in or anything.
What's it called? Do you have a name for it?
The only reason I'm digging this is because water's cold. But no, I don't have a name for it. I should come up with a name for it though.
Can you come up with a name at random like you do for animals?
No, but that's different.
Tell me why you name animals at random.
Because why not? Oh, there's because why not?
Okay, good points. Yeah, he really likes building forts at the beach. It's a lot of fun for him. Okay, that's my update for now. See you later. Guys, it's update time. Looks like it's a very good day right now, and so far we're all having a very good time. We just wish that the sky would clear up. Looks like it's going to be a while before the sun comes out, and we'll be able to get some good sunlight. As long as you wear sunscreen, sunlight is always good. But you know what else is surprisingly good for you? Salt water. I heard it's very good for your skin. Makes it all clean and fresh. And from what I've heard, it's also good for your hair. But the funny thing is, even though salt water is good for your skin and hair, if you were to drink it, it could kill you because it dehydrates you. Some things are funny that way. I mean, think about it. Hydrogen is flammable, oxygen is flammable. Put it together and you get water, which extinguishes fire. Hey Dad, what were the things that made up table salt again?
Sodium and chlorine. Sodium chloride.
Yeah, you put sodium and chlorine together, and what do you get? Table salt, which everybody eats.
But separately they're poisonous.
Yeah, but separately they're poisonous. Yeah, science is funny that way. Okay, next update coming soon. Oh, so far, the sky still hasn't cleared up. Oh look, there's an advertising plan. And the seagulls are still flying around because this is technically their beach. And so far we're having a very great time at the beach, aren't we, Mom?
Yes, we are. We're having a great time.
Cool. Yeah, we're all having a very good time, and I'm really enjoying that. My brother's not really enjoying that because he likes rough waves. I don't understand why he does though. So that's my update for now. See ya. See that pier over there? It seems that nobody's really getting the message. You see, the lifeguard actually said that everybody's supposed to stay away from that thing, but people go near it anyway. It's too bad. Yeah?
They're not supposed to swim between the two red flags.
What'd you say?
They're not supposed to swim between the two red flags.
Yeah, the two red flags. There are two red flags. There's one over there. I can't see the other one from over here, but yeah. You're not allowed to swim between the two red flags, but people do it anyway, so not good. I know they're around here somewhere. There's one. There they go. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Seagulls. Seagulls! They really are everywhere, yeah.
Yes? Hello? You want me to hold it?
Yes. The ocean looks great. It's nice and calm. All these seagulls are really noisy, but I don't care. It's their beach. Technically, it's their beach because they live here. So, yeah. And Dad are out there at the ocean, swing around and all that stuff. And we'll be going to a seafood restaurant for dinner, so that'll be nice. Okay. Guys, just got back from the beach and my family and I had a really great time, even though there was not that much sun. Actually, there was close to no sun. It was all very cloudy, but the water was still very good. It was very calm, not that many strong waves. Yeah, I'm really glad I got a lot of salt water. It's really good for my skin. At least when it's on it. Okay, well anyway, we're going to be going to the seafood restaurant soon. And we're going to go out and walk around the boardwalk, and I might videotape us during that time, so I'll see you, okay? See you guys later.